I'm here with Dr. Tracy Page. She's from Wisconsin Institute of Functional Medicine, and you brought along a guest today. And can you introduce me, Dr. Sam?
Yeah, Dr. Sam. So he's from the Rehab Lab, and he and I talked business, and I invited him to come and take a look under the hood, and we got to work together. And then he did the same for me.
Yeah, so, sometimes, doctors become patients as well, which is, everyone has different things that are going on. Can you tell me a little bit about your experience with working with each other?
Yeah, so I'll go first. Sure. So Dr. Sam came in. I said, let's just do some labs, kind of see what's going on. And we were able to optimize hormones, helped him with some nutrients that he was deficient in, and increased energy, I would say. And he even dropped a few pounds. And he's already in shape. Like, he already does this lifestyle. So even someone who's healthy might not know that they need a little help.
Yeah, and Dr. Sam, you are from the Rehab Lab.
Yep.
What do you do? Tell us about your business.
Yeah, so we are a soft tissue and rehab-based practice where we work with patients that, yes, they're in pain, but our goal is to not only get them out of it, but prevent it from coming back so they can perform and do the things they want to do. So getting linked up with Dr. Tracy, we got to talking as I was her patient. She's like, hey, I have a couple of things I want to work on. I was like, all right, come on in. Let's work together.
So tell me what you did with Tracy.
So we did a very specific movement analysis to see where are some of the issues or concerns that she has and why they keep happening. And then we built out a very individualized and customized program that she can follow at home to be able to work through some of those things and be able to do the things she wants to do long term.
So both of you, tell me about your experience working with each other. What do you think?
So first of all, I actually did my exercises this morning.
Good.
So I'm good. But actually, it was amazing to me. One of the things that Dr. Sam did is he actually worked on my core and my range of motion and my left shoulder and my hip, which I both have pain in, got better. So he really taught me how important it is to figure out where it's coming from, just like we do in functional medicine. Where is it coming from, the why? Because when he did that, he actually measured it, and we could see physically a change in those two things, and he never touched my shoulder or my hip. It was all in my core.
Yeah.
So it was really eye-opening to me. And then also too, just the analysis he talks about. I have a lot of stuff on my left side, and actually my right side was weaker because I've been compensating. So that was a real eye-opener to me. And yeah, that was very interesting. So, so much great information that he has just by a simple analysis and assessing you. And that was just my first visit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think for me as a patient of hers, the root cause is the thing that I always talk about in my practice, but from a functional medicine side, I hadn't experienced a ton. And then the way that she was able to explain it and walk me through kind of the map of why things are happening, how they're happening, and how to correct it has been amazing because, like she said, I felt like I was operating at 60%.
Yeah.
But now I'm at 100, and it's only going to continue to get better and stay better.
And as she mentioned, you are a healthy person,
right?
But she made you even better.
Yeah, exactly, 100%.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter, honestly, if you're like, 30 years different, 20 years different, 30 years different. It doesn't matter the age, really. We all want vitality, health, energy, wellness, be optimal in our body. Like, we just all want that. And then that's the stuff I can do on the inside, and then he does it on the outside because, like, I might feel good on the inside, but if I have pain or my neck hurts or my hip hurts, just by some simple movements, I can feel better. And I mean, I had a great run this morning.
Yeah, so if someone is watching at home right now, how can people find out more about both of your businesses? And I know you guys have a really good deal.
You can tell them about yours.
Yeah, so we are on every social media platform. Our website is rehablabwi.com. We post a ton of free content of movement, exercises, host a lot of free workshops. And the thing that we want to present to everyone today is if they mention this segment this morning, we'll give them all a free first appointment.
Oh, that's amazing. Yes. Okay, Dr. Tracy, how can they find you?
Yeah, so we also, too, are on all the social media sites, and then our website, as we mentioned before, and then we're going to give a special discount if you mention this segment, and you have to call to find out what it is.
Ooh, okay, so be sure to get a hold of them. They can help you from the inside out, make you look and feel your best. Thanks, guys.
Thanks
for having us.
Okay.